Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Blackbox AI in VS Code Editor. First of all, open the Virtual Studio Code application on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, click on this box-like icon at the left side of your screen and all of the available extensions will be displayed. Now, click on the search bar and search for Blackbox. Once done, the Blackbox extension will be displayed. Simply click on it and then select Install. After that, wait for it to install. Now that it has been installed successfully, you can see that the Blackbox pane has appeared at the right side. In order to use it in an existing project, simply open the target project and get to the space where you can type in without interrupting the code. After that, type in / and then the question. Once you do that, the Blackbox panel will pop up and you will be able to get your answer. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.